From phones to cars to now robots? With the Apple Car project now behind them, reports suggest that a home robot might be their next groundbreaking innovation. Bloomberg has reported that Apple is working on a home robot, possibly the next big leap in their product lineup. From following you around the house to potentially doing household chores, this could be a game changer. Let's break down everything we know so far. First, let's talk about what this home robot might look like and its capabilities. According to reports, Apple's AI researchers are investigating how to make a robot navigate cluttered spaces efficiently. This suggests that the robot will be equipped with advanced sensors and AI to understand and interact with its environment seamlessly. One rumored concept is a tabletop device with a robotic arm that can move an iPad display. This could create a more immersive and interactive video calling experience, making it feel like the person is right there with you. But the more intriguing rumor is about a robot that can follow you around the home. Think of it as an upgraded version of Amazon's Astro or Samsung's Bali. This robot wouldn't just follow you, it could also handle tasks like video conferencing on the go. Now, let's dive into some of the more ambitious ideas. There's speculation that Apple might be aiming for a robot that can perform household chores, like washing dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. However, this might seem far-fetched due to the enormous engineering challenges. In terms of AI integration, Apple is expected to leverage their advancements in artificial intelligence. This could mean the robot would be equipped with capabilities similar to ChatGPT, providing smart responses and performing tasks based on natural language commands. Imagine telling your Apple robot to adjust the thermostat, check if you left the oven on, or even read you the news, all through voice commands. How cool would it be when you'd be saying to Siri, "Hey Siri, turn on the room heater and set the temperature according to the weather outside"?
Sure thing. Based on the current weather, I've set your room heater to a cozy 25 degrees Celsius. Stay warm and comfortable.
Apple's move into robotics isn't happening in isolation. The tech giant is repurposing some of the teams from the now canceled Apple Car project to work on this new venture. Matt Costello and Brian Lynch have overseen the hardware development. Before the EV project was canceled, Apple informed its top executives that the company's future priorities would focus on 3 key areas: automotive, home, and mixed reality. They're even endorsing it on their website and asking people to join their robotics team. Our team works at the intersection of modern machine learning and robotics to shape the AI that will power the next generation of Apple products. One of the job descriptions reads, "One specific project Apple has been secretly working on for several years is a tabletop robot. This device, essentially a large iPad on a robotic arm, could transform your FaceTime experience by mimicking your head movements, making virtual interactions more lifelike. The home robot could also act as a personal assistant, reminding you of appointments, helping you with fitness routines, or even monitoring your home security. Equipped with LiDAR sensors and advanced cameras, it could patrol your home, detect unusual activities, and alert you in real time." Samsung's Bali gives us a glimpse of what's possible. Bali can follow you around, project reminders, and even interact with smart home devices. Apple could take this concept further by integrating its robust ecosystem, from HomePod's audio capabilities to the Vision Pro's advanced sensors. Let's not forget the potential for entertainment and education. A home robot could become an interactive tutor for kids, a fitness coach for adults, or even a companion for the elderly, ensuring they take their medication and stay active. Apple will need to tackle issues like weight distribution, battery life, and ensuring the robot can safely navigate a home environment. But if any company can pull it off, it's Apple, known for its innovation and attention to detail. So, do you think the Apple home robot could replace assistants? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest tech news, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.